Hello everyone, welcome back to College Duniya's YouTube channel. If you are planning to appear for GUJCET 2026, here is everything you need to know about downloading your admit card quickly and safely. So let's get started. The Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has officially released the GUJCET Admit Card 2026 on 17th March 2026. Candidates can now download their admit cards from official website. Please note, registration is closed now. Open your browser and go to the official GUJCET portal. On the home page, look for the GUJCET Admit Card 2026 link or banner. Make sure you are on the correct website before proceeding. To access your admit card, log in using your registered details. Enter your email ID or mobile number followed by your password. You'll also need to complete a CAPTCHA verification for security. Once logged in, click on the Download Admit Card option. Save the PDF and take a printout. Remember, a printed copy is mandatory. Digital copies will not be accepted at the exam center. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry. Click on the Forgot Password, enter a registered email or mobile number and verify using OTP or a reset link. Then create a new password following the required format. Before the exam day, make sure to verify all the details on your admit card including your name, photo, date of birth, exam center and roll number. Keep your printed admit card safe and most importantly, reach your exam center well before the reporting time. Thank you. That's all you need to know about downloading your GUJCET Admit Card 2026. Stay prepared, stay confident and best of luck for your exam. For more updates on all the exams, please subscribe to College Duniya's exam channel.